right, so we're about to go ride the Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster here at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and thanks to the early morning magic event, there is no line at all for this ride, so let's go hop on. All right, everyone, we're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios riding Slinky Dog Dash as part of early morning magic. And you guys get ready, it has 2 launches on. Here we go. Hooray! Woo-hoo! This is the perfect family roller coaster. I love how I say it's the perfect family roller coaster, and people are screaming like crazy behind me, and it's great. We love it. All right, guys, get ready. We're coming in for the second launch. So basically, the theme of this ride is we are taking a tour around Andy's backyard with the roller coaster set that he's built, and then he puts Slinky Dog on top of it. Super cute. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. Hands up, everyone! Like the little bunny hill part over here. Whee! I call this the Slinky Dog part of the ride. Woo! Oh! Woo! So much fun. And guess what? I did not have to wait in any line whatsoever because part of early morning magic, you get Toy Story Land open for an hour and a half only for people who sign up for this event, and it is awesome. One of the reasons why we love doing events like Disney Early Morning Magic is because, as you can see kind of behind me, there's hardly anybody here, and you kind of get the whole land completely to yourself. Here, have a look. As you can see, not a lot of people in front of me, not that many people behind me, so we're going to be able to ride Slinky Dog Dash as much as we want.
Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard.
All right, see you later. All right, everyone, now we're taking a backseat ride on Slinky Dog Dash here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Here we go. I love that we get this nice tour around Andy's backyard. Thanks to Slinky Dog. Oh! Hello, Jesse. Whee! Oh! All right, now we're coming in for the second launch. And this is kind of themed to Andy having built a roller coaster in his backyard, slapped Slinky Dog on top of it, and now we're winding up for the second launch. Get ready, guys. Here we go.
Here we go.
That's what I just said. Hooray! Oh! Oh! All right, now we come to the part that's like doing the Slinky Dog. Here we go. Doing the Slinky Dog. Woo! Oh! And that is why Slinky Dog Dash is the perfect family roller coaster.
Hang on. Here we go.
All right, here we go on Slinky Dog Dash. Remember, we have 2 launches. Here we go, launch number 1. We're gonna get this awesome tour around Toy Story Land. Thanks to Slinky Dog. Here we go. Oh, I love it. It's like the perfect family roller coaster. All right. So we're gonna come up here and we're gonna wind up for launch number 2.
Hang on.
I am hanging on. All right, are you guys ready out there on the internet? Here we go.
Here we go.
I just said that. Hooray! Whee! All right, here's this little Slinky Dog part that we do. Oh, we're doing the Slinky Dog. Doing the Slinky Dog. Oh! Make sure you smile for the camera there. And then, of course, any ride that ends with a singing penguin is awesome. Thank you, Wheezy. All right, here we go, guys. We're on Alien Swirling Saucers at Toy Story Land. And we're alien, we're in a saucer, and we're swirling. All right, as we go around, we're gonna swing a little bit more. Ready? Here we go. And swing. Whee! All right, ready? One more time. Here we go. And ready? Wait for it. Swing. We're swinging and we're swirling in an alien saucer. Here we go and whee! Oh, it's such a fun ride. It's gentle, but it's thrilling at the same time. Whee! Again, Toy Story Land is perfect for all ages, and it's so much fun, and it's super cute. Aliens! Here we go, we're gonna swing again. All right. And that is Alien Swirling Saucers in Toy Story Land. All right, guys, so that wraps up the Disney Early Morning Magic event. As you can see, there's a lot more people here now, and we got in loads of riding this morning. I think I rode Slinky Dog Dash 5 times, Alien Swirling Sausage 3 times. I didn't wait more than 5 minutes for anything if I waited in line at all. So highly recommend checking out the Disney Morning Magic event. Like I said, you basically get Toy Story Land completely to yourself, and it is well worth it here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So bye-bye, everybody.